Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am explaining particular integral of method 3. So the particular integral of fd of y equal to x power k. So here q of x is in the form of x power k. Here k is a positive integer. K is positive integer. So the particular integral equal to 1 by f of d into x power k. So here f of d can be changed into 1 by 1 plus phi of d into x power k. So here 1 by 1 plus phi of d can be written as 1 plus phi of d whole power minus 1 into x power k. So therefore solving this by using the formulas, that is we have the formulas. Number 1, very important formulas. 1 plus x whole power minus 1 equal to 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube plus x power 4 plus and so on. So this is the 1 plus x whole power minus 1. Next 1 minus x whole power minus 1 equal to 1 plus x square plus x cube plus and so on. Next one 1 plus x whole power minus 2 equal to. So that is alternative signs. 1 plus 1 minus 2x plus 3x square plus and so on. Next one 1 minus x whole power minus 2 equal to 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus and so on. So by using these 4 formulas we are solving method 3 problems of particular integral. So I repeat the formulas once again. So 1 plus x whole power minus 1 equal to 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube plus x power 4 plus and so on. So next one 1 minus x whole power minus 1. So all are plus signs. So 1 plus x square plus x cube plus and so on. Next formula 1 plus x whole power minus 2. So here alternative signs, that is 1 minus 2x plus 3x square plus and so on. Next one 1 minus x whole power minus 2 equal to 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus and so on. So moving to the problems. So here I am taking first problems. First one d square minus 2d plus 1 into y equal to x minus 1. So therefore first to find the complementary function, first write auxiliary equation. So auxiliary equation m square minus 2m plus 1 equal to 0. So therefore this can be written as m minus 1 whole square equal to 0, then m equal to 1 comma 1. So roots are real and equal. So therefore complementary function formula y equal to e power mx into c1 plus c2x. So here m equal to 1. So therefore finally our complementary function y equal to e power x into c1 plus c2x. Next to find the particular integral. So particular integral formula 1 by f of d into x power k. So 1 by here f of d square minus 2d plus 1 into x power k. So that is x minus 1 whole power 1. So here this can 1 by f of d can be written as 1 by 1 plus phi of d. Okay. So here 1 plus phi of d. So here I am writing this equation 1 plus d square minus 2d. Okay. So this is in the form of 1 plus phi of d into as it is x minus 1. So 1 by 1 plus phi of d can be written as 1 plus d square minus 2d whole power minus 1 into x minus 1. Okay. So finally here we get the form of method 3. So multiplying these by x minus 1, by using the formula. So what is the formula? That is 1 plus x whole power minus 1 formula. So 1 plus x whole power minus 1 formula, 1 minus x plus x square plus minus x cube plus x power 4 plus and so on. So here by expanding this equation by using this formula. So 1 minus x. So 1 minus x means d square minus 2d plus x square. So that is d square minus 2d whole square minus 1d square minus 2d whole cube plus and so on into x minus 1. So here expand these forms by using this. So here x minus 1 whole power 1. So that is I am taking 1 minus d square minus into minus plus 2d. So d square minus 2d whole square. All the terms here by expanding a minus b whole square, all the powers are d power 4 plus 4d square higher powers. So therefore here I am taking only first term of this equation. So x minus 1 whole power minus 1, because here d is nothing but differential operator. Okay, so here d of x minus 1 is nothing but d of x, differentiation of x is 1 and differentiation of 1 value 0. So d of x minus 1 equal to 1. So again differentiate, that is d square. So d square of x minus 1 is nothing but d of x minus 1. So that is d of 1. So d of 1 equal to 0. So d of x minus 1 equal to 1 and d square of x minus 1 equal to 0. So next d cube also 0 and d power 4 also 0. So I am taking here only first term of this equation. Okay. So therefore here 1 minus d square plus 2d of x minus 1. So multiplying these two terms, first term x minus 1 minus d square of x minus 1 plus 2 into d of x minus 1. So x minus 1 minus of d square of x minus 1 value here 0 plus 2 into d of x minus 1 value is 1. So therefore x minus 1 plus 2 equal to x plus 1. So this is our required particular integral, that is x plus 1. So therefore final general solution of given problem y equal to complementary function plus particular integral. So here what is complementary function? E power x into c1 plus c2 x plus, and particular integral is x plus 1. Next problem, d square plus 2d into y equal to 24x. Okay, so first to find the auxiliary equation solution. So here f of d of y equal to q of x. So fm of m equal to 0, that is auxiliary equation. So m square plus 2m equal to 0. So here m is common, m plus 2 equal to 0. So therefore roots are 0 comma minus 2. So coming to the complementary function, that is y equal to c1 e power m1x plus c2 e power m2x. So therefore here m1 equal to 0, m2 equal to minus 2. So complementary function c1 e power 0x plus c2 e power minus 2x. So that is c1 plus c2 e power minus 2x. Next to find particular integral. So particular integral 1 by f of d into x power k. So 1 by here f of d value d square plus 2d into x power k. So here x power k is 24x. So here 1 by here 1 to changing this by 1 plus phi of d. 1 plus phi of d. So by writing 1 plus phi of d form, here I am taking 2d is common. So then d square by 2d plus 1. 2d by 2d is 1 into 24x. So 1 by 2d into d square by 2d. So that is d by 2. So 1 plus d by 2. So here I am writing this 1 plus d by 2 into 24x. 1 by 2d of 1 by 1 plus d by 2 into 24x. So 1 by 2d, this can be written as 1 plus d by 2 whole power minus 1 into 24x. So again by using this formula 1 plus x whole power minus 1. So 1 plus x whole power minus 1 formula 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube plus and so on. So here first to find the d values. So d of 24 is constant. So d of x equal to 1 and d square of x equal to 0 and d cube of x is also 0. So here write only d square up to d square terms. So 1 by 2d of expansion. So 1 minus d by 2. Okay. Plus next term d square. Next term x square. So d square by 2 whole square. So d square by 4 plus and so on. So here 1 into 24x. So 1 by 2d of 24x minus d by 2 of 24x plus here this value 0. So 1 by 2d of 24x minus 1 by 2 of 24 into d of x value is 1. So 1 by 2d of 24x minus 12. Okay. So here 1 by 2d. 1 by 2d of 1 by 2 of 1 by d of again here 1 by d of 24x minus 1 by d of 12. Okay. So 1 by 2 of 24 into x square by 2 minus 12 into x. So 1 by 2 of 12x square minus 12x. So here 12 is common. So 12 by 2 6. So finally 6x square minus 6x. So again 6 is common. So 6 into x square minus x. So this is our particular integral. So that is equal to 6x into x minus 1. So general solution y equal to CF plus PI. So therefore y equal to C1 e power 0x. So that is C1 plus C2 e power minus 2x plus 6x into x minus 1. So this is our required solution. Next one, d square plus d minus 2 into y equal to 2 into 1 plus x square. So here auxiliary equation m square plus m minus 2 equal to 0. So here m square plus 2m minus 2 equal to 0. So therefore roots are m equal to 1 comma minus 2. So complementary function y equal to c1 e power x plus c2 e power minus 2x. So to finding the particular integral, that is 1 by f of d into x power k. So 1 by f of d square plus d minus 2 into x power k. So 2 into 1 plus x square. So here this is changing into 1 plus phi of d form. So here in this I am taking minus 2 is common. Okay. So minus 1 by 2 is common. So minus 2 common, then 1 minus of d square plus d by 2. Okay. So minus 2 minus into minus plus 2 cancel. So 2 into 1 plus x square. So here 2 cancel. Total term minus into 1 by 1 minus d square plus d by 2 into 1 plus x square. So minus of 1 minus d square plus d by 2 whole power minus 1 into 1 plus x square. So this is the formula of 1 minus x whole power minus 1. So 1 plus x square plus and so on. By using this formula, expanding the given equation. D of 1 plus x square equal to, here d of 1 0, d of x 1 plus d of x square 2x. So d square of 1 plus x square equal to, so d square, that is d of 1 plus x square. So d of 1 by this value 1 plus 2x. So again d of 1 0, d of 2x 2. So d square of 1 plus x square equal to 2. So therefore d cube value 0 and d power 4 value 0. So expansion up to d square term. So by expanding that equation, here we get minus 1 of 1 plus d square plus d by 2 plus d square plus d by 2 whole square plus and so on into 1 plus x square. So minus of 1 plus x square plus d square plus d by 2. So here I am taking 1 by 2 common. D square of 1 plus x square value. So d square of 1 plus x square value is 2 plus d of 1 plus x square value 1 plus 2x plus, next here a plus b whole square. So a square, d power 4 value 0. By expanding 1 by 4 of, here d power 4 plus 2ab. So 2 into d cube plus d square. Okay. So here minus of 1 plus x square plus 1 by 2 of 3 plus 2x. So here d power 4 value 0, d cube value 0, 1 by 4 of d square value 2. So finally minus of 1 plus x square plus 3 by 2 plus x plus 1 by 2. So minus of, so here 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2, that is 2. So 2 plus 1, 3. So 3 plus x square plus, sorry, x square plus x 2x. So therefore final particular integral x square plus 2x plus 3 minus of. So general solution y equal to cf plus pi. So therefore y equal to c1 e power x plus c2 e power minus 2x and minus of x square plus 2x plus 3. So these are the problems of method 3 of particular integral. Hope you are all understood this topic. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.